I got earrings. Ew. Ew. Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very exciting. You can see there's something missing here. Today I'm gonna show you my eyebrow routine tutorial. Eyebrows is something that I do spend a lot of time with. I would say around 15 minutes in each one. No, half an hour, both. That's what I do. Today I'm gonna show you what I do with this eyebrows. This video has been requested because apparently you're very intrigued with my eyebrows. It also depends on what type of brow I'm going with. This is such a makeup guru problem. Hope you guys like this video. If you do like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of video you want to see, and also subscribe. Who doesn't want to see this face? Many people, but subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social medias, which I always leave right down here. You can also follow me on my vlog channel because there's gonna be a lot of vlogs soon. We've got San Francisco vlogs. We've got San Francisco vlogs. We got a lot of San Francisco vlogs coming. So yeah, let's get onto the video. I'm gonna show you the brows I normally do, because I do have my different types of brows. I got my brows for more dramatic looks. I got my super natural brows, but I'm gonna show you the ones I do every day, basically. So yeah, all the products I use are from ANASTASIA. That's my favorite brow brand product. The only two products I'm gonna use is the ANASTASIA Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. As you can see, it's very loved. I've had this for around 2 years. Yeah, 2 years, so it just lasts a long time. We're gonna go with this powder. Oh my goodness, coming closer so you can see what I'm about to do. Okay, so this are my brows with nothing on them. As you can see, they're very sparse. Well, oh my god, in person they look very sparse. I don't know why on camera they're looking very dark, but they're very sparse. I don't have full brows like my sister, so here you can see this is what I got. My favorite brush to do my eyebrows is the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills 7B brush, which is this one. It has a spoolie and a brush. First of all, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. I normally do my brows the first thing with my makeup, but it was gonna look weird if I didn't have makeup, so we're gonna work with this. So I'm just gonna brush them up. The ANASTASIA Brow Powder Duo has two shades, as you can see. This one's the darker and this is the lighter. When you're doing your eyebrows, you want to make the outside of the eyebrow look a little bit more darker and the inside a little bit lighter. It's gonna make it look much natural. So I'm gonna take the darker side. What I'm gonna do first is outline the underneath of my eyebrow. So just gonna follow the natural line. So I'm just gonna start from here, not right here, here. Just go. So that's the outline we have. Now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows downward and take the same shade. I'm just gonna do hair-like strokes downwards because that's the natural way the eyebrows are growing. So I'm just gonna brush them downwards and just fill them in. You don't want to get outside of that, just stay in the insides and just do hair-like strokes. So now, the key here for when you're doing your eyebrows, use the spoolie to brush them and also blend out the color. So right now I'm just gonna brush them up again. and now you can see it doesn't look as sparse as this one. I'm gonna take again the powder and just do hair-like strokes upwards instead of downwards. I don't like to outline the upper part of my eyebrow because it doesn't look as natural, but I do that sometimes. Because you can see the difference between this eyebrow and this one. This one looks very sparse, doesn't have a lot of shape, and this one has a little bit more. Actually, for my both eyebrows, this is the best eyebrow and this is the problematic eyebrow, because brows are sisters, not twins, like me and my sister. So as you can see, so now I'm gonna do the outer part of this eyebrow. I like to do the outer part of one eyebrow first and then the other, and then I'll just do the inside of the eyebrow. With this eyebrow, I'm doing the same exact thing, just following my natural eyebrow line. So there it is, and I'm gonna push them downwards. I do get my eyebrows waxed, but not as often. I try to do it at least 6 months. If I do see, because my hairs are very thin, I don't think I need that much. There's sometimes good brow days, sometimes not. I think right now it's looking okay. This one has more of an arch and this does not, so sometimes I just gotta create an arch over here. It's a very light arch. And then this one. So I'm just gonna, I say I don't do this, but sometimes I do. I'm just gonna go very lightly and outline just the tail of the eyebrow and the arch. Ta-da! Now we're gonna do the left side. This one is a little bit thinner on the tail, and this one is a little bit thicker. So I'm trying to make this one a little bit thicker. There we go. Yeah. Now the inside. Now we're gonna take the lighter color in the brow duo and apply it to the inner corner. So now I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm just gonna outline that part so you can see, and just make hair-like strokes upwards, very, very lightly. I prefer a powder instead of a pencil. I don't know why, it's just something that I feel more comfortable with. So we really want to blend that light. We don't want to look it very harsh. So I'm just gonna blend it. That's a blender. And just continue applying the powder. I like when I dip, I want to do it more on the, like more over here instead of inside here. When the brush has less product, I just want to take it here on the inside. So that's an eyebrow. Wow. You know, I said I take 15 minutes, but I think today's a good eyebrow day. We're gonna do this eyebrow. Oh my god, it looks so good. One thing I can't leave without is doing my eyebrows. I can go outside my house with no concealer, foundation, lipsticks or anything, but I cannot leave my house without my eyebrows, because eyebrows change your whole face. Sometimes I do my eyebrows and feel like a little boy, but it's okay. At least like you can tell I have eyebrows. So there you have them. This is a more like a fluffy kind of style. But now, because eyebrows, we need to get them tamed, girl. Like, I have a little bit eyebrows, but it's not as, let me explain. I would say my eyebrows are like a maybe Kim Kardashian eyebrows because they're not full as Cara Delevingne or my sister. But I do have some hair. They're not like Nikki Tutorials, like she doesn't have many hairs, you know what I'm saying? Or Jeffree Star doesn't have anything. I think they're in the middle. They're alright, but they need to be tamed, because if I do something, if I go like my eyebrows, hair are gonna go looking down, and that ain't a cute look. So now we're gonna go with the Anastasia clear brow gel, and we gotta put some gel on this. So what I like to do is just go upwards like that. Can you see? Up. I prefer my eyebrows to look a little bit more fluffy instead of very like sharp. That's my kind of look. You can do whatever type of look, but this eyebrow gel is amazing. Even if you don't have a lot of hairs or do have a lot of eyebrow hairs, this is amazing. I like to make them look a little bit more fluffy instead of very what I call the Instagram brow. Those are my eyebrows. I think today was a good eyebrow day. There are some times where I get very stressed, and that's when it takes about 15 minutes. For the common person, my sister says I take too long to do my eyebrows. I think it's the okay amount, because I'm satisfied on how they look. Like, I can take half an hour doing my eyebrows, but I know I'm gonna look good. They're gonna look natural. They're gonna look good. Look at them. I think this is gonna be a very quick video. This is amazing if you like doing your eyebrows with powder. The Anastasia products, including the brow powder duo, is amazing. I do recommend getting the brush. I know it's kind of expensive. I remember buying all this kit for I think $42 at Ulta. I don't know if they still sell it, but it's the eyebrow kit by Anastasia. If I do find it, I'm gonna link it down below, because it's amazing. It's a good price. So yeah, I do recommend the powder, the brush, and the eyebrow gel. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on the brush, because I know brushes, I think this one's like $18. Another one I do really enjoy is a BH Cosmetics one. I don't have it with me right now, but it's definitely dupe for the Anastasia. It's the one I use on clients. Another one I do recommend if you're the type of girl who has a little bit more of a thicker eyebrow and you just want to get your eyebrows done as quick as possible, I do recommend the Morphe R44 brush. This is my lazy eyebrow kind of brush. If I just want to get the eyebrow down fast, this is the one I use. I do really recommend it. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you want to see the other types of eyebrows don't forget to comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, because there's gonna be a lot of content in the next few months. I'm very excited. I want to try to upload at least 1 time a week, and maybe 2 times a week. So don't forget to comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. You help me, I help you. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this face. Oh yeah, you can also follow me on my other social medias. I always leave them down here. On my Instagram, I post a lot of pictures when I do clients makeup. If you want to see that, you can. If you are in the San Diego, Tijuana area, I can do your makeup, and you can just follow me and DM me. And yeah, you can also follow me on my vlog channel, which I said in the beginning, there's going to be a lot of content there. So yeah, thank you love so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.